Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Uniswap token. In order to do this, you will have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to search for uniswap.org. Once you are on Uniswap, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and click on Launch App. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you will have to first connect your MetaMask wallet with it. In order to do this, you are going to see a connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you will have to click on connect and you simply need to connect your MetaMask wallet with Uniswap. Now after that, in order to stake your MetaMask, you will have to hover over to the top and you will have to click on the option of pool. Now over here, you need to click on the option of new position and then you will have to start adding your coin into liquidity pool. For that, you will have to select Matic in the first pair and in the second pair, you will have to select Uniswap token. After that, you will have to select the tier fee. So you can choose among the options that are given over here. Then you can set the price range and after that, you can even view its current price. Then you need to enter the amount of Matic that you want to convert into Uniswap. And after that, you need to click on the option of add. Once done, the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you where you just have to click on approve button and you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to add it on the liquidity pool. Now once this step is done, it simply means that you have successfully staken your Uniswap token. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.